Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks. So far this week, we have done one simple cleaning task each day. And by adding one very quick and easy task each day, we've now got a really simple cleaning routine. I would definitely recommend trying to get as many of these things done on a daily basis. And when you do them on a daily basis, they get to that point where they never need to be done. So you're just maintaining a few very simple cleaning tasks that honestly take only a couple of minutes each if you continue to do them daily. Super simple things like cleaning your sink when you're done with your dishes, cleaning your counters down every night before bed, putting on a load of laundry or doing something laundry related, making sure your beds are made through the day, giving the bathroom a quick wipe down. These little simple daily habits just help so much in maintaining your house in that always clean state. So for the last day of the first week of this cleaning challenge, for the last daily cleaning habit to incorporate into your daily cleaning routine moving forward is to just go ahead and spot clean your floors. Now later on in this challenge, we're going to be giving our floors a deep clean, but to maintain them daily, I like to give them a quick vacuum as often as necessary, and even if that is every day. I have my Dyson stick vacuum cleaner just at the end of my kitchen, so it is easily accessible any time of the day or night that I need to give the floors a quick vacuum, even if it's just a few things. If you've got long hair, if you've got pets, if you have got kids, you'll know that floors quickly get out of control. This video was taken literally before I was heading out the door to Kmart one day, and I just grabbed the vacuum cleaner because there were a few things on the floor. There were some oats that were spilled on the floor, and just having it right there and out and available, it just makes it so easy for yourself. And I mentioned on my website, where I go into more detail about all of the daily challenges, when my eldest son was a newborn baby, he had really bad eczema. Found out he was actually allergic to animal dander. So what I used to do is keep my little barrel hoover all wrapped up but plugged in under a side table next to the sofa. So it wasn't out in full view, it wasn't an eyesore, it was just tucked away, but it was always plugged in and ready to just give the floors a quick once over. Honestly, if you adopt that kind of principle of keeping all of your cleaning things out and easily accessible so you can quickly grab them and clean up, it never becomes a chore or a hassle. Like if I had the vacuum cleaner packed up away in the hallway cupboard somewhere or upstairs in the linen cupboard, I'd be much less likely to go and get it out and spot clean the floors as often as they needed. I would find that off-putting to have to go and get the vacuum cleaner, plug it in, and then start cleaning. When your cleaning appliances are already plugged in, ready to go, so that you can just grab them and start giving the floor a quick clean, you're much more likely to incorporate that into your everyday habits. And just as you see something that needs cleaning, you just give it a quick clean without even thinking about it. So guys, definitely try to incorporate a quick spot clean of your floors, no matter what it is. It could be carpet, it could be the tiles, it could be just the kitchen, but just incorporate that into your daily routine. And honestly, it only takes a minute or two to give the floors a quick clean over. We're going to be going into them in deeper detail later on in this challenge, so this is not a thorough floor cleaning requirement. It's just to get into that habit of incorporating spot cleaning your floors into your daily routine. Now, to make it super easy for me to maintain daily mopping, I just keep this Daiso Swiffer in my kitchen with a Daiso microfiber cloth. I think this is just a dusting rag, but it fits on the Swiffer perfectly, so that I can just quickly either add some water to it or add some Method floor cleaner, and then just really quickly clean up any spills as they happen. And then once a week on Mondays, when it's my big kitchen cleaning day, I will either use my steam mop or my spray mop and then do a really detailed clean. But this is brilliant, keeping that kitchen floor consistently cleaned with the least amount of fuss and the least amount of work. And then every time I've used it, I just pull it off and then I just replace one ready for the next time that I need to use it. Again, setting yourself up for your future self and putting it in place so that you've got your cleaning supplies ready to go, so that you're not put off with having to think, oh, I've got to go get the mop and then I've got to put the mop head on the mop thing. No, too hard, not doing it. Set it up so it's already done, it's ready to rock and roll, and then your mop will be ready for exactly when you need it, and your kitchen floor will be kept clean and under control. Guys, that is it for today's video and for week 1 of this cleaning challenge. Be sure to check out the playlist of all the videos if you've missed any days in the description below. Have a fab day and I will see you tomorrow for another cleaning challenge. Stop barking. Don't you bark. Don't you bark.